Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. A for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. For umbrella. B for Ben. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.